Greetings to all learners. My name is Pooja Verma and I am a faculty of geography at SRN International School, Jagatpura, Jaipur. Today I am taking the topic India location from chapter 1, grade 11th Physical Geography NCERT. Today's topic will enable you all to learn and understand about the location, neighbors, size and shape of our country, that is India. Now let's begin today's topic. Dear Asanians, the mainland of India extends from Kashmir in the north to Kanyakumari in the south and Arunachal Pradesh in the east to Gujarat in the west. India's territorial limit further extends towards the sea up to 12 nautical miles. Dear Asanians, 1 nautical mile is about 21.9 kilometers. India, with its area of 3.28 million square kilometer, accounts for 2.4% of world's land surface area and stands as 7th largest country in the world. The actual distance measured from north to south extremity is 3214 kilometers and that from east to west is 2933 kilometers. This difference is based on the fact that the distance between two longitudes decreases towards the poles, whereas the distance between two latitudes remains the same everywhere. Dear Asanians, from the values of latitude, it is understood that the southern part of our country lies within the tropics and northern part lies in the subtropical zone. Due to this, there is a large variation in landforms, climate, soil types and natural vegetations in the country. Dear children, now let us observe the longitudinal extent and its implications. The values of longitude. It is quite obvious that there is a variation of nearly 30 degrees between two longitudes, which causes a time difference of nearly 2 hours between the easternmost and the westernmost parts of our country. Dear children, do you know that the sun rises in the northeastern states about 2 hours early as compared to Jaisalmer, but the watches in Imphal in the east, Jaisalmer in the west, Bhopal, Chennai or in any other part of India show the same time? Why does this happen? Dear children, it happens because we have adopted a standard meridian for our country, which passes through 82 degree 30 minutes east through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh. This meridian avoids the confusion of time in different states of India. The size of India has endowed her with great physical diversity. We have lofty mountains in north, large rivers like Ganga, Krishna, Brahmaputra, forested hills in northeast, and vast sandy expanse Marusthali. India is bounded by Himalayas in north, Hind Kush in northwest, Purvanchal in northeast, and by the large expanse of Indian Ocean in south. It forms a great geographical entity known as Indian subcontinent. The peninsular part of India extends towards the Indian Ocean and provides the country with a coastline of 6,100 kilometers. Along with the Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep, it accounts for 7,517 kilometers in entire geographical coast. India is located in south central part of the continent Asia, bordering the Indian Ocean and its two arms extending in the form of Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea. The list of neighbors of India includes Pakistan, China, Bhutan, Nepal, Bangladesh, Maldives, and Sri Lanka. Out of these seven neighbors, Sri Lanka and Maldives are the two island countries which are separated from India by Gulf of Mannar. Dear children, this is all about chapter 1. I hope you have understood the topic properly. Listen to the audio properly. Learn the topic sincerely. Bless you all. May you achieve all heights of success. Thank you.